Morning everybody, this is Claudia Rivas with Pristine Property Management, and I'm at my 2006 Calais Drive apartment building in Normandy Isles, Miami Beach. I have one unit available and I wanted to give you a quick tour before it's too late. So it's about 850 square feet. All windows are impact windows, stainless steel appliances, 2 parking spaces, nice closet space, central AC, brand new everything. You would be the first one living here since it's been renovated. Private laundry, and it's available immediately. So let me know if you're interested before it's too late. Have a great day.